Does your pedal board look like this? Then you need Pedal Python, the world's best cable management system for musicians. It takes the cables you already own and love and turns them into a sexy cable snake. Is it ugly? No! Is it bulky? No! Is it sticky? No! Is it gonna slice the crap out of your fingers? No! Pedal Python. It's the ultra lightweight, crazy flexible, super sleek and customizable, durable, reusable, widely compatible, easy to use, roadworthy, and affordable cable snake DIY thing. Are you tired of being the last one on and off the stage? Are you tired of losing those expensive cables? Are you tired of tripping the lead singer in the middle of the show with your obnoxious orange extension cord? Get a Pedal Python! With Pedal Python, if you need to upgrade your cables, you got about 15 minutes and a pair of these, you're good to go, dude. It's time to be a professional. Look, do you want the audience seeing you, your guitar, your sexy pedal board? Or do you want them to see, what are those? You owe it to yourself to get a Pedal Python. You're gonna love loading out for once. Thousands of customers all over the world rave about how they love their Pedal Python and how it's changed their gigs. Lots of links, loads of colors. Head over to pedalpython.com right now and customize your unique cable management system and get your together with Pedal Python.